Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have both files ready. Open the source and destination sheets side by side. First, confirm edit permission. Without it, you cannot write formulas. Next, select the cell range in the source you want a link. You can choose a single cell, a named range, or multiple rows. Once done, copy the range address or remember the sheet name. Make sure the destination sheet is active. We will paste a formula there to create a live link between the two. Now create the link. If the files are in different documents, type equals import range and supply the source URL and range in quotes. For example, sheet 1, A1, B10. When you press enter, Google will prompt you to allow access. Click allow to authorize the connection. If both ranges are in the same spreadsheet, use an internal reference like equals source sheet. A1 to pull values instantly. Once entered, the formula populates. Make sure formula ranges and finish by verifying the linked data updates as expected. Edit a source cell to confirm changes appear in the destination. If you need dynamic expansion, wrap import range with array formula or use open-ended ranges like A1A. If you encounter #ref or #n/a, make sure you granted access and that the range string is correct. Reauthorize if necessary. When things still go wrong, refresh the sheet, re-enter the formula, and double-check sharing settings. That single permission step is often the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.